Very, very troublesome neighbors. Like, it's not their fault. But there's actually power supply and they decided to put on a generator. So I just had the noise coming through my window, and now I had to lock my window, lock my door, and that's going to affect the lighting of this video, and I'm not happy about it. Okay, let's go ahead. I'll just go ahead and make this video. I'm learning not to just push things, and there's almost never a perfect time to do. Welcome to my channel. My name is Kemi Omorugbe. I'm the creative director of Kemafreak, and I'm pleased to have you. You're welcome to the very first chit chat video ever I'll be making. If you're familiar with this channel, you know I do lots of more of pattern drafting, cutting, sewing, and everything that has to do with creating outfits. For the first time ever, I decided, let's just talk. Let's just gist. The truth is, before January this year, I created my channel last year, and before January this year, I wasn't that consistent. I was making it like a hobby. I post when I like, and I was not really following things and all that. So, but this year I decided to be more committed and dedicated to this channel, and I decided to be creating videos every week, and I think for the past 2-3 months, I've been trying to do that. Okay, I pray for grace to actually be able to continue, because it's not easy. Oh Lord, it's not easy. You see content creators there, you know, trying to put things out, content you think they're just having it easy. It's not really. So one of the things I've decided to adjust about this channel is the way we do things. Okay, apart from posting consistently, I've decided we'll be doing a little bit of chit chat like this. Yes, we are not going out of focus, so we are still going to be talking about the fashion industry, the fashion business, what to do with your brand and all that. I have a little bit of experience, and I also like to be hearing from you from the comments, you know, to be getting your own input so we can learn from each other. So that's one of the things I've decided. It won't just be only cutting, sewing, pattern drafting, blah 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 video any longer. I've actually learned from watching people's vlog. You know, they're regular day-to-day activities. You think you may not gain anything from it, but I pick a little thing here and there, and actually enjoy watching them. They're entertaining as well. So some people may actually want to be where I am now, and they want to see the kind of changes, transformation they will need to make. I'm a fashion designer, I'm a mom, I'm a wife. So I'll be putting out a little bit of my experiences in those aspects of my life and how it affects the fashion business. So I'll really encourage you to invite your friends over. Yes, invite your friends over. Share the content of this channel and let's grow together. Yes, and I really have a goal, guys. I want us to increase our subscriber base here. Yes, I need more subscribers. Share this channel. Give this video a thumbs up. For every video I make, just thumb it up. Give it a thumbs up anyhow. Okay, as much as I'm making efforts, that's the way you can support me. Share this video. Always drop your comments, and I'm making effort to get to know you guys more, and I'm opening up my life so you can get to know me more. And I think we're going to have fun. We're going to have fun, really. Okay, so onto the main topic of this video. So for the past couple of weeks, most cities in Nigeria, outside Nigeria, because of the COVID-19 virus, have been on lockdown, and it has affected businesses. I just thought to check up on you, really. How are you coping? What are you doing with your time? I hope you're not just wasting away. It's very dangerous to do. Okay, and I'll love to know in the comment section, what have you been doing with your time? Have you been able to achieve some things? How are you coping? How are you feeding? I realize lots of families with their businesses locked down, they are not able to fend for themselves and all that. And this is just me showing you love and saying, how are you? How are you really? So, despite the negative aspects of this, I realized it may actually be a good time, especially for business owners who struggle with having time to do things. Yes, I have personally struggled with that. the truth is, as a fashion designer, you have to keep upgrading your skills. You cannot afford to stay at one point. So there are a lot of things you need to keep learning. And there's some courses I enrolled for like a year ago, 2 years ago. You won't believe that. So I actually downloaded those courses, paid for them, downloaded them, and they are just, in fact, I lost some of it when I lost my phone. So they will just be there in my devices, and I can't really create time to practice or to even watch them and then practice. So many times I just don't have the time because I have to keep attending to client requests. There are deadlines to meet here and there. So one of the things I'm super grateful, and the truth is I've decided to focus on the positive part of this and to see how best I can manage this time, okay? So one of the things I'm most grateful for is the time I have. Lord, I've had ample time in my hands. I'm able to watch those courses and learn from them, even though I don't have the supplies to practice each and every one of them, but I make do with whatever I have. Whatever I have, I just try to practice them. Another thing I've been able to do is exercise. Oh Lord, your girl used to be a leper. If you're Nigerian and you're watching this, you will understand. I used to be a size 8 and now I'm size whatever. And I'm a mom, a working mom. I've not been able to create time for exercise, or maybe that's just an excuse, I don't know. The truth is, when this lockdown and restrictions started, I'm in Benin City and we don't have a total lockdown. We have a restriction, movement restriction. The stores are closed except for food stuff. So for me, at the beginning, I would just sleep. I would just sleep, and then I would still not do a lot of things. You know, I couldn't just put myself together. I was not motivated. And then I realized, well, you've been looking for time for everything. You always say, I don't have time to do this, I don't have. Now here is the time, but then you're not motivated. Okay, so I just had to motivate myself. That's where self-motivation comes in. I just had to tell myself that, okay, you have to find a way to push yourself out of bed, you know, stop oversleeping and stop overeating. Okay, so far, I think for the past couple of weeks, I've tried my best to exercise at least 4 times a week. So I run around, I keep fit. The truth is, as a fashion business owner or a fashion designer, you are the face of your brand. So you need to be able to wear your outfits and look pink, if you know what I mean. You need to be able to wear your outfit and look good, and you need to be able to style your outfits. Yes, you can make use of models, of course, models. But when you wear your outfit, you should look good in it. For me, I want to be able to style my outfit and look perfectly nice. Especially, this is not my real face. This is not my real, this is not my real body. Your babe has got swag. Okay, so I'm just hoping I'll be able to cut down on some weight this season since I have time. The challenge is that you have time, you want to rest, and you're not as active as you used to be. So you really need to motivate yourself, self-motivation. You need to push yourself to do some of these things. Another thing lots of businesses are latching onto this time is production of face masks. I have personally made face masks for free for my clients. Okay, so that's just my way of showing them that, okay, I really care about you. It's not just about your money. Come pick your face mask. You know, we make arrangements and we get it to our clients for free. And then I produce a little bit. This is not the time to overcharge anybody, really. So make a little bit affordable ones for others that want to buy. That's the new people that really need a face mask. So that's another thing a lot of businesses are doing right now to keep them functional, fashion businesses. For everything I've said so far, you notice it's all about the time, you know. Like, this season has forced me personally, and I'm sure a whole lot of people, to just take a break. Take a break and rest and reassess things, reevaluate things, re-strategize for the future. And another thing I'm super grateful for is time with my family. Yes, time with my kids. My husband is a super busy person, and this time we've had so much fun living together as a family, and we take a walk almost every evening around the quarters. We just enjoy each other's company. That's the kind of time we couldn't afford before now. So everything I'm super grateful for is the time. It's a time, like something putting our life on pause to really focus on the people that matters the most. Okay, so we may not have the time to be with extended family members. Of course, you're not supposed to gather together, okay? But you can always give them a call, connect with the people that matter to you. This is the kind of time that you never get, really. So I'm super grateful for that. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. I think I should call it a wrap here. I've probably talked too much for a no talker. Okay, for somebody that doesn't talk a lot, I'm surprised. That means I'm having fun with you guys, really. Okay, so I'm just talking. This is like a diary session for me. Did you enjoy watching this video? Should we keep this kind of discussion up? Should we talk fashion business? What are you thinking, or what's your opinion on some of the ideas I have for this channel, the way forward for this channel? Please drop your suggestion, your comments in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and invite others to join us. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate this. I'll try as much as possible to keep dishing value. Thank you, and see you in the next video.